1978 Chevrolet Silverado C10. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics, 350 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped also. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I did have the AC blowing cold. Let's take a look at the chrome in the bumper. Bright work up front on the grille. Headlight surrounds looking good. Original color of this vehicle, cardinal red and frost white. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the interior, the engine bay, the bed, the undersides. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style wheels, Discover radials made by Cooper. And you can see these tires have plenty of tread. You'll be able to see close-ups of that in the still pictures also. You do have the 383 high performance emblem on their 350 V8 as mentioned earlier. There's also some receipts that'll go along with this. It appears that in the receipts that 350 was a crate engine installed in 2023, and I'll send those receipts with the truck. New AC compressor and transpan gasket were done like 2023, 2024, right in there also. So those will be newer too. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This truck came to us from Texas. You can see paint shows well. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Red interior, bench seat up front here. I noticed it did have the dash pad on it also, dash protector. It's not full of cracks or discoloration or anything like that. It's like that dash pad was on there to protect the dash. It's not hiding anything. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see it has the soft roll-up tonneau cover. There's also a spray and bed liner. Check that out in the still pictures. Dual exhaust, chrome rear bumper. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Does have new rear brake shoes on it that were installed at our shop. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like the Silverados, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We do sell a lot of these trucks, so if you like checking out pickups, whether it be Ford, Chevys, Dodges. Like I said, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like just looking at vehicles, check out all the past vehicles that have been here. When these vehicles, the videos of them are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase. You can either do that online or right off our showroom floor. And you can see driver's side, same way. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, let's take a little closer look at this interior. I do want to point out something in here. All right, now with the red lots of times, I'm going to step back here. I want to show you something. Right there's the true color of that interior. It's a nice deep red interior. If I get the camera right up on top of this seat, it wants to wash it out. And that's definitely a lighter color than this is in person. So if I step back, there you go. That's a much more true idea of the interior color. So just give you the heads up on that. Sometimes the still pictures, we get right up on top of them. It wants to wash that seat out a little bit if anybody's got any questions on that. This is actually an original cruise control and tilt column truck. Power windows, power locks. Of course, that Silverado package would have been a nicely equipped truck back in 1978. Seats free of any major rips, tears, or holes. A little bit of cracking in the piping down here, I noticed, but boy, that's being awful fussy. AM, FM, 8-track player. Did have the radio working too. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Little aftermarket tack. That is working. This is a smooth running truck. Check out the gauge cluster there. It looks like the clock's working. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I need to pop this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then as usual, stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood. Hood liner looks good. Here it is. 350, small block Chev. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay, not full of rust, corrosion. Power steering, power brakes, AC has been updated from the R12 to the 134A. HEI ignition. Like I said, smooth runner. 1978 Chevy Silverado C10. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet C10 square body pickup truck. It's got a nice tonneau cover on it. This is automatic on the column. Very smooth running truck. Started up and idled smoothly right away. Our blower motor works on this truck. Got a little heat going today. In Minnesota, it's a little chilly. Wipers also work on this truck. Turn signals are indicating as they should. Nice, just gentle rumble coming out that tailpipe of this truck. Our oil pressure is showing 60. The volts are showing 14.5. Down to the lower left, we have a clock, and it is counting the seconds. Even the clock works. The temperature gauge is coming up on a quarter of the way from cold. Speedometer works showing 50 miles an hour, and the fuel gauge is showing between a quarter and half. Factory looking radio. Picking up FM, we also have an 8-track player. Have not tested that. Nice comfortable cloth and vinyl bench seat in this truck. Brakes feel good. Nice quiet ride. Power steering, easy to steer. Corners nicely. Acceleration is good. Very well maintained truck. From the feel of it, from the driving down the road, it's a great runner. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevrolet truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.